Here we are driving over Interstate 80, Donner Pass. It's hard to see through this windshield. A lot of truck traffic because the place was closed down yesterday. But if you get a chance, you can see the berms of snow on the side, January 22nd, 2010. We didn't have that much snow before the series of storms hit this week, so it's not exceptional, but it still gives you a little heads up about how high they're getting. They look to me about 6 feet, maybe 6 feet tall, these snow berms. And here we're just going over Interstate Donner Pass right now on Interstate 80. Some snow removal equipment in front of us here, rotary snow plows. They churn through the snow and then spit it out. That's what cuts these big 8-foot berms right here on the summit itself. There it is, the sign, Donner Summit, elevation 7,239 feet. Yep, storms are over, but winter has just begun.